Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to transform this capsule game into this, an animated 3D character. I'm going to show you how to create this model, animate it, and then bring it into GDevelop, all completely free. Alright, so first just go to Gemini and generate a picture or whatever you want, preferably a T-post. Yeah, so after that we're gonna go to Sam 3D. So go to the playground and we're gonna go to create 3D stuff. Okay, so we're gonna bring in our picture from Gemini. Literally all you gotta do is just click on it and click on add object and wait a few seconds, and there is your 3D model. Just like that. Okay, so let me just save this as LGB file. We're gonna go to mesh to motion and we're going to upload our model. Okay, just like that. Fix the orientation if you have to, and I'm gonna set this to human, to thumb only, thumb in hand. This is probably the most important part of the video, I'm guessing, other than the GDevelop part. I can't believe this stuff is free. Alright, so here we're gonna pick our animations, as there are tons of animations to pick from. I think we covered this in the previous video, so we're not gonna spend too much time on it. So we're just literally just gonna pick some animations we're gonna use in the game. So save it. We're gonna replace the capsule for our 3D model we just made in Gemini. Let me set here the default size for this. This is not important. Here is our model. Just like that. So all we gotta do now is add the animations, but before we add the animations, let me correct the orientation. Set this to 90 degrees on the Z, so the camera is right behind our character. So now let's go ahead and add our animations. Add the running animation. Example, if our character is moving, we're gonna switch the animation to running, and if the character is not moving, we're gonna set the animation to idle, just like that, and right away you can see things moving. Okay, so now let's add the jumping animation now. So let's see if a character is jumping, we're gonna switch it to jump, and we need to add the animation first. Where's the jump animation? There's the jump start. We're gonna use jump start. You can use whatever animations you want. Here it is. Okay, sort of glitching a little here, so let me go back and fix that. So if player is not jumping, we're gonna set it to jump. Okay, that's still glitching. Okay, let's go back. Invert this condition. Player is not jumping for when he's moving, and for the idle animation as well, we can invert that condition. As long as she's not jumping, we can set it to idle. Okay, that seems to work fine. So we jump and we can move. Perfect. Alright. Well, let's fix the animation so the character can push that block. I mean, I can push it now, but we just want to animate it. Add another animation. Call this one push and select the push animation. Let's add a condition here. I'm just gonna copy this and modify it. The object is actually called pushbox. Okay, so let's switch that to pushbox. Pushable box. Okay, it glitches a little there, so we probably wanna maybe switch it to contact with the ground. Instead of contact with the ground, I guess it's gonna be contact with the ground object. Now for the running animation, let's add this condition here. Right, as long as you're not pushing, the running animation will play. And you ask me, that's working. Okay, I think we have to go and loop that animation. Try pushing this again. and that works a little better now. Actually, you know what? I think it's on loop. We're gonna delete it's moving, so we don't need that one. And we're gonna go here and to events and control flow, and we're gonna trigger this only once when it loops, and that seems to fix our problem here. I just change the ground here because it looks kind of cheesy there. Alright, and we're done. Just like that. And so there you go. So you don't need to 3D model or know how to animate stuff. You can just go ahead and make your characters and bring them into GDevelop. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye now.